Hello, this is Trudy with True and Healing Travel, and today I'm in the beautiful French island of Corsica in the capital city of Ajaccio, and I'm going to be doing a walking tour. And so I'm going to show you all you can do within half a day. And this is the birthplace of Napoleon Bonaparte, so there's lots of landmarks for Napoleon here that we'll be seeing. Also, I'm going to take you to the market, the Cathedral, the beaches, the Citadel, and even a fine arts museum. So come along and join me, and let's go see Ajaccio Corsica. After the market, a next great stop is the place Foch, and this has got the famous Napoleon statue right in the center, as you can see walking up there. And also, this is the Salon Bonaparte. It was the city hall, and there is some Napoleon memorabilia in there. But let's go get up close at the statue. It's nice other than the lovely cranes behind it, but there you got him in the image of a Roman Napoleon. He was Italian. There you go. From the statue, I'm going to head over here to Rue Bonaparte. Head this way. See, this is a good sign that we're there. And we're going to see if we can get into the museum. So heading down Rue Bonaparte after his birthplace home and museum, I'm headed to the Citadel and the Cathedral here. Before then we'll be going to the beach. So here we go. walking down, you can see the Citadel is free, and there's just shops and a cafe down there. And then here's the view. Sun's off to the left, so. But we're going to be heading that way to the beach. Beach next to the Citadel. Isn't that cool? It begins here along the fortress wall, all along that harbor. There we go. Nice water. So getting back to Place Foch, where the Napoleon statue is, I'm going to backtrack now and take one of the main shopping streets to the Fesch Museum. Right? So right there. I'm about to go inside the Musée Fesch, and this is known for having some of the best Italian Renaissance art in France, outside of the Louvre, of course, it's very nice. There's not a line, and so I'm going to go get a taste of it, and hopefully they'll let me video it. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so on the second floor is the Italian Masters, so I'm going to be looking for paintings by Titian, Botticelli, and Veronese. So here we go. There's a good start, right? And right next to the Fesch Museum is the Imperial Chapel, and that's included in your admissions charge, and that has the tombs of the Fesch and the Bonaparte family. So anyway, it's an interesting building, and I'm going to take you inside. My meal is I'm at La Raid, and My meal is very healthy. I'm being very boring because I see some amazing plates here of, I don't know what those like, calzones or something, but so I'm just getting a nice salad. Thank you so much for joining me today in the beautiful town of Ajaccio, and I'm ending my day with some cocoa sorbet. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had such a great day, and I just want to say this is such an underrated port. It's you know, close. It's I literally walked right off the ship, and I'm here, and we're the only ship in town. So it's a great port day if you're on a cruise and you don't need to go anywhere. Just enjoy this beautiful town for art, food, and culture. So thanks again for joining me, and see you next time. Bon voyage and bon appetit.